In this video, I'm going to show how teachers can use the new iOS6 software for iPads to help assess student learning with the iPad as a tool without being afraid of them using the communications or other technologies to cheat or do things that you don't want them to be doing with their iPad. So if you take a student's iPad and you go to Settings, and if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see Accessibility. Click on Accessibility, then click on this thing called Guided Access in Learning. Okay, you're going to set a passcode for your student's iPad. Okay, they don't know what that is. That's your passcode. Now I'm going to go to Home. I'm going to select an application that I want to let them use for some project or quiz or something. So in this case, if I go to Google Drive and I have Johnny pull up his notes, here's a set of notes that I want to let him use, but I don't want him to talk to anybody else about these notes. I just want to let him use his notes. So now while I'm in the application that I want to let Johnny use, I triple-click the Home button. And it pops up this guided access screen. It says circle areas on the screen you would like to disable. So I'm going to circle anything that I don't want Johnny to be able to do. I don't want him to edit his notes at this point. I just want him to use them. And I don't want him to be able to close his notes. So I've circled those two, and now I hit Start. So at this point, Johnny can look at all the notes he's already taken. Maybe I'm going to give him a quiz or a worksheet that he has to see if he was able to take good notes on his reading. And he can, if he tries to click on the Home button to go play a game or IM his friends, it says guided access is enabled. In other words, he can't go anywhere until he's done with the quiz. He gives his iPad back to me. I triple click, and now I type in my passcode, and now I hit end, and he can use his iPad freely again. Another way you can use this is to go to, let's say, a web browser, and you want to let Johnny explore this website, but only this website, and not go anywhere else. So I'm going to triple click. Oops. And here we are again. I'm going to circle the tab key so he can't open a new tab. I'm going to circle the actual URL spot so he can't type in a new URL. If there's another tab open, I'm going to circle that so he can't, extend that so he can't click on another tab. I'm going to let him reload the page if he wants. Maybe I'm going to circle all these buttons at the top so he can't go search the PBS website and look at the TV schedule. Maybe I don't want him to play the games. But other than that, I want to let him click on anything else in this website and search and explore this website. So now I hit Start. And now Johnny can he can't click on TV schedule, so he can't change the website that he's on. Again, if he tries to click the Home button to go to another app and play games, guided access is enabled, but he can click on 1954 and see the court cases for 1954. Then when he's done with his project, triple click, and I type in my passcode, and now I end the session, and Johnny has full use of his iPad.